Today I am working on a Harbor Freight Tailgator 2-stroke generator. This generator was running and doesn't start. I'll speed up the process on this video so it doesn't take so long. It has good fuel delivery. The carburetor had a little bit of debris inside it. I'll show you some of that in a moment. It has spark all the way to the spark plug, but it does not have good enough quality spark to spark under the load of compression. So it has a failed coil or a failed magneto at the flywheel. I've ordered the parts. I'll show you how to take it apart and repair it. Quick blinky light test. Very dim, almost not noticeable. With the spark plug out, it's a little bit better because I can generate better cranking speed. It has 125 pounds of compression, so let's take it apart. With the fuel tank swung out of the way, I can detach it from the carburetor. There is one 8mm up top here. It releases a strap at the top of this panel, and we need to get those two off. I want to do this repair in stages, so I'm going to replace the ignition coil first and see if that cures the problem. I ordered both a coil and a magneto for it. Color-coded, green wire, green tab, black wire, black tab. There's no ground for this, so it can set freely. And I'm going to take the spark plug out so we can pull it over fast and see what spark looks like. I'll lay the spark plug in here. And let's see if we have enough black background to be able to see that. Ignition switch on the front panel is in the on position. So I don't need to go any further with the repair. Let's put it back together and see how it runs. Okay, all back together. Let's see how it runs. Fuel is on, choke is on, ignition is on. That is a quality piece of equipment. In case you have one of these and need parts for it, I found everything that I needed on eBay. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.